Oh my god, check out these leak computers. Alright, there's Alienware. Okay, oh my god, it's that Roy ALX. Okay, it has a processor. It's an AMD Athlon. Hey, you!
That feels fun. I wanna tap that shit.
Damn right, the slut's my bitch. She fucking suck my goddamn. First time is never.
Bing bing.
First time is everybody now take your.
No, Maria. No, I hope you're okay. That feels good.
I'm alive!
No, zombie, I'm gonna kill you now. I'm gonna throw you off the cliff. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna throw. Oh, fuck.
Got him.
Move.
How do you like those sweet moves? Pretty sweet. But check out mine!
It can't be true. I could fly if I wanted to, like a bird in the sky. If I believed I could fly, why I'd clearly I will go sailing no more.
Oh, fuck!
Oh my god, what's that? I'm coming over.
Oh, shit!
My legs! I gotta get over there. I'm coming. I'm almost there. Just a second. I'm almost there. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck is the fucking show doing there? I'm just gonna climb over it. Oh my god, that was tough.
Hey, Anthony, want a Mountain Dew? Sure. What in the world is this? Oh my god, are these computers? Oh my god, check out these elite computers. Alright, there's Alienware. Okay, oh my god, it's that Roy ALX. Okay, it has a processor. It's an AMD Athlon 64FX55 with hypertransport. The operating system is Microsoft Windows XP Professional Edition. It's not even fucking Home Edition. It's fucking Professional Edition because it's fucking elite. Alright, and the memory is 1 gigabyte Corsair XMS dual channel PC with 440 DDR. With a hard drive with 74 gigabytes at 10,000 RPM. The SATA RAID with 60 megabyte cache. Or the graphics processor is Blue NVIDIA GeForce 6800 GT 256 megabytes of DDR3. The sound card is Creative Sound Blaster with Audigy at 2CS 7.1 HD audio. Oh my god, the fucking price is only $45,000, but payments as low as $134 per month. That's like almost 1, 2, 3, 4, which is freaking elite. And it's for like elite games like Counter-Strike and like Warcraft 3 and Warcraft Worlds and Warcraft and like Starcraft and EverQuest and Pokemon and things and cool elite games like that. And it's really cool. And yeah, okay. And it pawns noobs.